Welcome back, BeInCrypto. In today's episode, we'll be doing a Tron price analysis as well as market analysis. If any of that sounds interesting, make sure to watch till the end of the video. Otherwise, let's jump right in. So as you guys can see, we are on the current coin market cap, and before we get into the Tron charting, I like to start off with the current market cap because it's a great way to kind of see and gauge where exactly we're trading at, what's potentially to expect in the near future and latter future of Tron. So you can see Tron is trading at number 12, and it's got $1.9 billion in volume, trading at 0.029, which is almost 3 cents, which is quite low, but there's good reason why it is quite low. A lot of people see a coin this low and they think, oh, that's awesome, let's invest in it because it is so cheap and it's bound to go up. Well, there's reason why it's so low, and we'll discuss that in a second. So you can see the volume is only 726 million, which I know, or 726 million, which I know sounds like a lot, but in reality, compared to other cryptocurrencies like Tether trading with $17 billion in volume, it's actually quite little. So another thing to look at is the 66 billion coins that are in circulation right now. This is why we're seeing Tron trade so low in terms of price, because there's so much out there and readily available. It inevitably lowers the price of Tron. You know, if it only had 16 or 10 million coins, the price of Tron would be much greater. To say that it had this much volume in it, it would be much greater. Let's just check out the current Tron charting right now. I'm on Tron to US dollar on the Bitfinex chart, and you can see we have it loaded up right here. And I just want to throw on a couple of lines before we jump into the charting. So you can see right now that there is a pretty big resistance that we're currently hitting, or it's going to start acting as a support right now. You can see I just drew it right through right here. You'll notice not only do we have points of contact here, you can see we're starting to retrace back down to that right now. We can even move it up ever so slightly right here, where you can now see more so that we're hitting areas of resistance. So it looks like we came to a bottom on Tron. You'll also notice that we are trading at around 40 something, 44 on the RSI, which means we are pretty much at the low of our market, and we should anticipate some sort of potential bounce or swing to the upside. I'll draw it really quick. So some sort of move like this is definitely to be expected with Tron. Otherwise, a small move down to its high-low MMA and then followed by a movement to the upside could be, you know, in store for Tron. Otherwise, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, leave a giant thumbs up. Make sure to check out our article. It's the first link in the description. It is to our BeInCrypto analysis on Tron. I highly recommend, if you want to learn a little bit more about our charting and where the price could potentially go in the short term and long term, to check that out in the description down below. Lastly, I guess I'll see you guys in the next episode.